This presentation is to show the Cognos system in the context of multimodal interfaces. This is the system that we introduced for this presentation. It's a smaller version of a Cognos system. It's composed by a Cognos Home Hub, which is a workstation connected with a touchscreen device and two loudspeakers. It's also composed by a Cognos Cognitive Assistant, which is our mobile device. And the whole system is embedded in a local area network that is right now composed by a Wi-Fi network. One of the functionalities that is in Cognos is the time indication. As you can see, both main screens of the mobile device and the stationary device have a time indication. On the mobile device you have a digital clock that right now is showing 8:45 that is replaced also on the stationary device on the analog clock. The two clocks are totally synchronized, and in case you want to know the analog clock also on the mobile device, you just need to click, and in this case you will have the possibility of an analog clock that is synchronized between a mobile device and a stationary device. When you press also the mobile device again on the main screen, the clock will just disappear and will come back to the main window of the mobile device. Then another functionality is the possibility to find the mobile device when it's impossible to locate it by visual indication. In this case, for example, imagine that we don't know exactly where the mobile device is located. For example, we put it in a different place. In this way, the user can just locate the mobile device by pressing this button on the stationary device, and after a few seconds, the mobile device will be ringing. It's simple enough to press on the touch screen in order to turn down the sound, and the screen will come back to its starting position. Another functionality of the Cognos system is the possibility to have picture dialing. As you can notice, both stationary and mobile device have the possibility to start a phone conversation just by pressing the button of the person that you want to call on the screen. The two databases are synchronized. This means that the people that you will set up, you will see on the stationary device, can also be seen when activating the functionality on the mobile device. For activating the functionality on the mobile device, you just need to press the button of the phone book. Takes some seconds, and in this way, the people that you are inserting in the phone book will be just available on the screen. In case you want to call to one specific person, it's just enough to press the button or the picture corresponding to the person you want to call. And immediately, in this case, the mobile device will just initiate the call and try to call the person that you are searching. Another functionality is the music. As you can see, it's possible to start and some particular music that has been set up from before on the stationary device. This functionality is possible to be started from the stationary device as well as from the mobile device. For example, we want to start the music. We just press the button here, and some specific music recorded from before will be just started. When the music starts, the button of the mobile device corresponding to the music will be started as well. So in case you want to stop the music directly from the mobile device, it's just enough to press the opportune button and the music will just immediately stop. As you can see, now the picture of the music has been deactivated. If you want to start again, Then we just press it again, and the music will start again. And of course, we can still shut it down directly from the stationary device. Another functionality is the emergency contact. This is directly connected with the picture dialing. In order to provide some emergency solution in case of particularly critical cases, there is a specific button that is present on the mobile device as well on the stationary device that is characterized by this lifesaver. It's possible both to press on the stationary device to initiate the call directly from home, or it's possible to call directly from the mobile device by pressing the button. And in this case, immediately the emergency call will be initiated. So, another functionality is the Take Me Home functionality. It's done in such a way that users that are outside their home and they feeling need to get some additional help to get home can just use in order to get some more information. The Take Me Home button is this one with the house, and it's just connected with the navigation software TomTom. It's already set up with the coordinates of the home location. So the only thing that the user needs to be done in order to activate it is just pressing the button, and the software immediately will just execute TomTom. So just a few seconds, TomTom application will start, and immediately will try to find out the GPS position. In the moment in which the user thinks that he doesn't need any more application, can just touch the screen and we'll have two additional buttons. One is for continuing the assisted navigation, or you can just press the stop button to quit the application and come back. But we need still some information, so we just press here. And as soon as the GPS data will be collected, the itinerary will be routed and we'll just be given some information about how to reach home. Okay, in this case we got a signal and the mobile tells us that we are in Academy Street, and we just have to go for 50 meters and then turn on the right side. When we will be reaching our final destination, then the application will be just closing and come back. Another functionality of the Cogno system is the reminders. The reminders are stored from the server to the Cogno Home Hub and then also replicated into the mobile device. The main functionality is that when a reminder is just stored and saved on the Cogno Home Hub and ready to be released, also the mobile device will be loaded in such a way that the reminder will be fired at the same time. In that case, in the moment, for example, we have the reminder that is just fired, this one will be also shown on the mobile device, and for us it will be just enough to press the button on the screen to cancel the reminder. And the reminder can be cancelled on both sides, so even in case we press on the mobile device, then it will be cancelled from the Cogno Home Hub and vice versa. Another characteristic of the Cogno system is the possibility to be personalizable according to the different parameters. In this case, I can show how the mobile devices can be adapted according to the country in which these are stored. In this case, we have two mobile devices that are having different languages. This one is the worldwide English version that is set up with Estonian time zone. And this one instead is a Swedish version set up with the Swedish time zone. The two versions are totally identical, but you can see, for example, the time it's expressed in different language, and this is also possible to see when the analog clock is just shown. Nevertheless, all the commands are also possible to be reviewed in different languages. So if we switch on the music, we see starting music in English language, and if we start it here from the Swedish device, inside we find the same sentence but in the Swedish language.